Okay, this video is specifically created for landscape portrait. Landscape portrait is a horizontal position. Games that play in horizontal positions. But if you want your videos or your screen recorded videos to come up in as this portrait, you have to record the video after you get inside the game. So once you open the app and it gets into its settings and the scenes and whatnot, then you want to go click your record button and turn it on. After that, you should be set. If you do not, your videos will continue to look like this video. Alright, YnR-DreDay. They'll pop up like this. But it'll be more color. See, this is not the landscape. This is a So, in order to do that, remember, so unfortunately, if you are to keep your screen the original way, as of you just holding your phone upright, it is not going to look like the beginning of the video. It will look like the ending of the video. I'm not sure what the other name for it is, but it's a vertical position. It's a vertical portrait. It's not a landscape or horizontal portrait. If you want it to be precise, you're going to have to make it like look, if you want your videos, when you go to edit them in iMovie, to look right, because it's not going to be the full screen. If you want the full screen, you're going to have to turn it into the landscape portrait. Okay, and the way to do that is how we did it in the beginning. You record after you get into the app. Don't record before you get into the app. If you record before you get into the app, you will have an upright vertical portrait. Got it? All right.